Hey, Don Copeland here, and if you know me, you know I love new toys, and this is my newest toy, and I'm in love. This is the newest addition to the Cold SE line of printers. This is our Cold SE UV 24H3R, 24 for 24 inch, H for heads, 3 of them, and R because it's a roll-to-roll machine, all right? And what we're doing with this machine right now is we're actually printing out transfers. Don't use the sticker word. You can ask anybody around here, if you call these stickers, I get a little frustrated. These are transfers, these are upscale transfers, and it's really cool the process that we use. You pop in here, I'll show you what's happening inside of the machine. As you'll see, there are 3 heads in the machine. We are printing these face up because we're not putting in like a DTF transfer where we're gonna put glue or anything on the back. So we're printing white ink down onto the carrier sheet, which we call the A sheet, and it's actually got a tackiness to it, a stickiness to it that is a glue. Following the white head is a color head, laying the color inks down on top of it, and then you can probably see this transition into this transfers that were already printed, and there's a sign of a glossiness, and that's a clear or a varnish ink. And lastly, it comes through, and this roll right here, this we call the B roll. This is actually a laminate sheet that gets heat. It's a hot laminate, it gets heated down, applied on top of it, which then becomes our carrier. So when we peel it away, that becomes a carrier, so I can use a transfer to put it on the machine. I mean, this machine is so cool, it even decorates itself. So all this decals that are on this entire machine, transfers are done on this machine itself. So you can do some really upscale transfers, all right? And this is where I get carried away about the sticker part, right? To me, a sticker for this would have like a white backing and everything right here, right? So you're doing something, you're cutting it out, printing on an eco solvent or something like that, or even if you're printing it through some more traditional high scale methods, you're not going to have these individual little pieces like this all by themselves. You don't have to weed them, so it's not like you cut, you know, we printed and cut them out. They are actually the transfer. The ink itself is the physical transfer, which is really cool. You control the density of your white, you can print any color you want. It's just an amazing process, and they're cheap. Typically the transfers done on these are 1/2 to 3/4 cents per square inch. So a lot of these transfers that we're printing down here are 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 cents a piece. Even big transfers like this, you're 1/4 to 50 cents to generate a transfer like that. So it's revolutionizing the way that people are decorating all kinds of things. Flat goods like this, you know, product recognition, things like that, all the way up to doing things like cups and mugs, you know, tumblers, all those things that are difficult to do, you can maybe do with a direct print on a UV printer, but it's slow. When you do a rotary printing on a UV printer, you put 1 or maybe 2 on at a time, and that's it. And it takes all that time to print, single print heads generally. Even if you have dual print head, it's a slow process. I could do 100 transfers for some Yetis, and it would take maybe 7 or 8 minutes for us to print them on this machine, maybe 10 minutes, right? It's the way to go. It's a new trend that is really going to kind of hit the market for decoration onto rigid goods, just a whole nother level. And it's going to allow you to do it in a small confined area. You don't have to worry about anything else, not like regular DTF or t-shirts and stuff like that. We have to have a dryer. You have a single piece of equipment here. You can generate these to decorate the products you sell. There's a big marketplace just selling wholesale transfers. Still, you'll find tons of places right now, they're getting 6 to 10 cents a square inch. And remember, I said these cost 1/2 to 3/4 cent. You can do the math yourself on that. It's just a great new product and a great new way to decorate. And if you've worked with any of our other products, we use the same software, so it's very familiar. It's easy for you to add on, very easy to just transition to adding this to it. In fact, most of these machines that we're selling in the early stages are going to existing customers who are already doing DTF itself, because guess what? Their customers are asking for this product as well. And so they in turn are asking for this product from us, and that's what we've done. But here you are, it's the new Cold SE 24H3R, and I'm excited. I hope you are too.